Okay, it's been 3 days, so now it's time to turn my light on and see how well it does. Okay, I'm up here. It's been 72 hours, so now I just have to turn my switch to on right here. Turn it to automatic, and it should work. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's got a switch over on this side where you can turn it on automatic, and when you do that, that's when it starts working. So I got it on the auto switch right here, and I got my switches right here turned on the way I want it, so everything's ready to go. Yeah, all I have to do is wait till nighttime when it gets dark, and I just come out here and test it, and I'm gonna see how it's gonna do. Oh, okay. It works. I think I might need to turn my sensor up a little bit. I think it's pointing straight down to the ground, but other than that, it's working. That's good.